sound of heaven. It's the sound of many waters. It's the sound of worship coming from the throne. Oh, there are cries of adoration as men from every nation lift their voice to make His glory known. They're singing, holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. All the elders and the angels bow. The redeemed worship you now. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. All the elders and the angels bow. The redeemed worship you